Dear SID community, it is always an emotional moment for all of us to participate in the graduation ceremony, because it is during these moments that we actually collectively realize that our kids are growing up and moving on to something else. First and foremost, I'd like to take the opportunity to thank the dedicated teachers here at SISD. They do not seek any praise, but their skills and dedication towards educating our children are enormous. Their daily commitment is really what makes the school that it is. As a school, we have the privilege of helping you and your kids towards the path of education and growth. And we have watched you as parents supporting your kids towards that goal, and we want to thank you as well for this great work. So you can give yourself a round of applause as well. Growth comes in many ways, and every graduate here today have worked very hard to accomplish the best that they can be. Through school, after-school activities, and sports, they have received a well-rounded education. Each of you has grown in a way that you should be very proud of. And you are now ready to tackle new challenges moving on to the middle high school. Once more, I want to thank and congratulate you, the parents, the teachers, of course, for the great job that you have done, and welcome you to middle high school. Well done, everybody. Now, my honor and privilege to introduce, I'm taking your job, sorry. Thank you, everybody.
I would like to introduce the head of school, Mr. Bian Sommer.
Thank you. Stage manager, you did a great job. We don't want to put you out of work this afternoon, so thanks a lot. Good afternoon, welcome students, teachers, parents to this afternoon's event. It's a happy event, it's a great event for all of you. It's not a graduation, please forgive me if I do not call it a graduation. Coming rather from the other end of high school, there's still a long way to go, as you all know. And some years of, as Churchill said, blood, sweat, and tears. But this is for later. Today is the day to celebrate, definitely. But it is something positive and something to celebrate. It's a promotion, if not yet the graduation, but definitely your promotion. Your promotion, and a very well-deserved one, obviously. From primary school to middle school. I just commented to Miss Sabat, well, they're still so small, maybe then. But then Mr. Osborne said, your future head of middle school, give them a couple of weeks in the summer and they'll grow and they'll definitely be middle school students and children next year. Actually, it is a big step. It is something new. It's a new phase. It's actually finishing with one phase in your school life, in your still young school life, and entering a new one. It's a new phase, and it's a new phase to look forward to, despite all the unknowns and the challenges that you will have, and maybe also the mixed feelings. Some of you might be overwhelmed with joy and say, oh, school's over, I'm gonna actually now prepare for the summer, but as I said before, it will continue and there's more to come. So actually, also the expectations with regard to you as new middle school students will be different. You will be expected to apply everything that you have learned so far within the framework of your primary school and further develop your skills. So despite the change from PYP to NYP, as it is called in the middle school, the middle years program, it is still the IB. It is still the philosophy and the learning profile of the IB. And you have been made familiar with this over the past years, but definitely over the past year in 5th grade. So as IB learners, you will still, in middle school, strive to be inquirers, knowledgeable thinkers, communicators, principled, open-minded, caring, risk-takers, balanced and reflective. I wish you all the very best on your ongoing learning journey to middle school. I would like to thank you in particular as students for all your efforts and that you've achieved what you have achieved today. Your teachers, of course, for their commitment and care, and in particular to your parents for their support and trust. Enjoy the occasion, enjoy the summer that will come, not tomorrow, but in 3 weeks' time, and also enjoy the moment of returning to school as sort of newly born middle school students. All the very best.
Thank you, Mr. Piat. Now we would like to have the French song by grade 5B and 5A.
On écrit sur les murs le nom de ceux qu'on aime, des messages pour les jours à venir. On écrit sur les murs à l'encre de nos peines, on dessine tout ce que l'on voudrait dire. Partout autour de nous, les signes d'espoir dans les regards. Donnons notre écrit, car dans la nuit tout s'efface.
have a word with Miss Jennifer, Miss Amina, Mr. Jose Rodriguez, and Miss.
I'd just like to take a minute to thank a few people who made today happen. Mrs. Brew, thank you so much for your and the IT department, Sydney, and the facilities department, and security, thank you for being here. And to our assistants, Giselle, Samia, and Marina, for the wonderful presentation. And to Mr. Ben Finley for doing the sound for us. And to my amazing teaching partner, Miss Amina. Students, 5A and 5B, thank you so much for an amazing year. Today is a time to celebrate. This year you were risk takers, you were inquirers, you were problem solvers, you were bilingual learners, you became scuba divers, you were scientists, you were entrepreneurs, you were web designers, you were coders, you were gardeners. You've had some amazing experiences this year. So I hope you look back on this year and remember all of those positive things. It's a new beginning for you as you set new goals, you have new dreams, and you look forward to middle school. But it's not goodbye, because I really like to think that you're going to come by and say hi every now and then. Even though you'll be in your fancy new middle school, I hope you'll come by and say hi to us. And remember, we still have 4 weeks of school, so. All the best to you in middle school. I know you'll be great, and I'm proud of you. And thank you so much as well to the parents for a great year. Thank you.
Je vais parler en français parce que c'est ma langue et je m'adresse tout particulièrement à mes élèves qui vont s'envoler vers une nouvelle section, une nouvelle partie de leur vie. S'il y a qu'un souvenir que je vais retenir cette année, c'est quand on a fait de la plongée ensemble. J'ai partagé avec vous une immense passion que malheureusement ça fait un moment que je n'ai pas pu pratiquer, mais grâce à vous, j'ai remis une bouteille sur mon dos et je suis allée dans la piscine. Et j'espère qu'un jour, vous partagerez cette passion-là avec d'autres personnes autour de vous. Notre travail en tant qu'enseignant, c'est de partager nos passions avec vous et de vous donner envie, d'avoir envie de faire plein de choses. Je tiens à remercier les parents, vous nous avez soutenus tout au long de l'année. Dieu sait si ce n'est pas toujours facile de comprendre ce qu'on fait dans les classes. Et merci pour tout ce que vous nous avez apporté en tant que parents. Merci à mes élèves, je sais que vous avez beaucoup manqué. Et merci à Jennifer, qui m'a manqué aussi, mais c'est aussi grâce à elle que j'ai eu l'envie d'aller plus loin dans ma carrière professionnelle. Merci.
Ich würde auch gerne ein paar Worte sagen, vor allem für Klasse 5C. Wir haben jetzt circa 9 Monate lang miteinander unterrichtet und ihr seid mir sehr, 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 sehr ans Herz gewachsen und es fällt mir auch ganz arg schwer, euch wieder gehen zu lassen. Aber das Leben geht weiter und ich kann euch nicht aufhalten. Ich wünsche euch auf jeden Fall einen ganz, ganz guten Start in die neue Klasse 6 und alles Gute. Und ich möchte mich auch noch ganz recht herzlich bedanken bei Mr. Rodriguez, der beste Teampartner.
Quiero dar las gracias a todo el mundo. Thank you 5C for an amazing year. I want to thank the parents for all their patience, for all their time invested in their children that we did this whole year. We had ups and downs for everyone. I can say 5A, 5B, and 5C, but it's been an awesome year, and I've seen you grow up. I'm honored to be a part of this small time in your little lives so far that we can all grow up together and have fun and learn. And I'm still here in this school, so again, like I said, don't forget us when you
go move on to fancier, nicer things. So thank you.
Thank you, teachers. Now we would like the German presentation by 5C. Not in it.
Manchmal ist etwas Neues nicht etwas Neues. Jetzt müssen wir auseinandergehen und hoffen auf ein Wiedersehen. Etwas Neues motiviert uns nicht mit.
Abschied. Die Grundschule ist vorbei. Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. Wir müssen in die 7. Klasse gehen. Doch wir bleiben hart und machen keinen Mal. Hasta la vista, ma salama. Wir müssen die 5. Klasse verlassen. Tschüss, die Freunde, sie gehen auf Fenner. Wir werden euch vermissen. Tschüss. Abschied und Neuanfang. Wuhu, der Sommer ist hier, wo wir sehr viel Spaß haben. Aber wir vermissen die Klasse mit Bleistift und Papier.